What a fine day it is, isn't it everybody? Do watch a tutorial video and in today's video, I will be showing you guys how you guys can reset the password of your PNC Bank's online banking account. But before that, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel App Tutorial for future videos just like this. And let's move on with the video now, shall we? First step, you want to search for a PNC Bank login and click on the first link over here. It'll take you to this website. Over here, you want to click on where it says sign on and then choose forget ID or password. Once you do that, it'll bring you to this website. Over here, click on where it says start reset password. So it's going to show you how you guys can do that. So read these 4 steps clearly so you will understand what you need to do after you click on start reset password. Enter your online bank's banking ID and your social security number or your tax identification number and enter your PNC Bank's account number. You want to enter it full. Click on next. It's gonna ask you for some more information. After it verifies that this account belongs to you, it'll take you to the password reset page where you guys can enter a new password. So that's how this works. So don't forget to hit the like and subscribe and bye bye.